The 132 feet, 40-meter ship is designed to travel thousands of miles out at sea without a single crew member on board. The anti-submarine warfare vessel could join active naval operations as early as 2018 and would hail in a new era of warship. When it enters service, the ship will operate for around 30 to 90 days at sea without a crew. Sea Hunter relies on radar and cameras to spot other vessels and will leave and return to port on its own. Powered by 2 diesel engines, the ship can reach speeds of 27 knots per hour. The vessel cost around $20 million, £14 million to build and around $20,000, £14,000 a day to run, which is significantly less expensive than crew-run ships. While initial vessel tests require a pilot on board the ship, later tests are planned to have no personnel on board. In initial testing of Sea Hunter's autonomy capability back in 2016, the ship successfully executed a multi-waypoint mission with no person directing course or speed changes. The completion of Sea Hunter's performance trials was the first milestone in the 2-year test program co-sponsored by DARPA and the Office of Naval Research. Experts say the vessel has the potential to revolutionize not only the military's maritime service, but also commercial shipping. The full-size prototype could pave the way to developing crewless cargo vessels for the commercial shipping industry someday.